Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can refund the Higgsfield AI and how the whole process works. So how it pretty much works, all you're gonna do is when you get on Higgsfield, you just wanna write Higgsfield refund contact on Google, and then you're gonna have contact, and you're gonna have support here, and you just wanna write here the support Higgsfield, and you wanna write here that you wanna get a refund, and that's how you're gonna do it. So yeah, that's how you're gonna do it. And also, when you're gonna be here, I want to share with you. Just claim deceptive marketing practices with your bank account or CC card and file chargeback. They will refund your money pretty fast because they are like what they do. So this is something that I want to share with you, and maybe it's going to be beneficial for you and how the whole process works for the refund process. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.